Hi guys, we left off over in ClickBank, and today I'm going to show you how to take this link, your affiliate link, and build you a landing page with this link, and we're going to put a tracking code on it. Okay? Now, what we need to do is go to Clickfunnels. Go to Clickfunnels, start your 14-day free trial. And you want to log in. And you want to come right up here to the top to funnels. And what you want to do now is add a new funnel. Add new. And we want to create a funnel. We want to create an email funnel. The first one right here. So create a funnel. We want to collect emails. Choose a template. We're going to call this here super affiliate system, because that's the name of our affiliate program. We're going to build funnel. Excuse me. Once we build our funnel, it logs in, and we have to create a opt-in form. So we're going to go down here and find us a real nice opt-in form. One that seems nice and easy to use. Let's see what we got here. There's a bunch of templates here that you can use. ClickFunnels makes it real easy for you to create your own landing pages. I'm going to take a simple one here that's real easy to use, because all we need is a let's see here. Let's try this one. We can preview it. Okay, that'll work great. And what we're going to do now, we're going to select this template. It's loading. Once it loads, we're going to edit it. Okay, we're going to click on Edit Page. It's very slow. Here we go. Now, what we need to do is change this. So we don't want this. We're going to get rid of that. We're going to delete. Do you want to delete? Yes. And we're going to delete that too. Delete that row, that column. Okay. What we're going to do now, you remember that link I told you to save and put it in your notepad? Let's go to our notepad. This is my link. John Cristoni. That's his link. So I copy. And I'm going to put this up here in my space bar. And we're going to copy this right here. Free training, how to earn 6 figures side income. We're going to copy that. We're going to go back to our click page, Quick Magic, and we're going to highlight all of this. Just highlight it. Get rid of it. And we're going to paste. And we're going to take this. We're going to copy this. And we're going to get rid of this. And right here, we're going to put this. And we're going to get rid of this. Okay. And we're going to have to modify this, okay? And we can come over here under settings. We can change the font, the top margin. Bring it down a little bit, like that. We can change the font. Free training, how to earn six-figure side income. That's good. Now, what we need to do here is change this to, we're just going to copy this, right? We'll make this real simple. Copy this. And we're going to click on this. And we're going to go to settings. Yes. And we're going to put that right in there. Paste. Yes, sign up for the free training. Okay. And then we can delete this. We don't need that. Delete that. We're going to get rid of this too. Delete. Okay, now that we have that, what we need to do is save. Save our changes. Okay. And then when it says sign up for your free training, we want to go here. We want to set action. Right here where it says submit to order, that will take care of your email address. And this one here is where we're going to send our training. Set action. Go to. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take that affiliate link right here. This is our ClickBank affiliate link, John Crocker. Then I'm going to come over here to Click Magic. And I'm going to create a link. I'm going to paste that link right down here at the bottom, my primary link. Paste. When you first get started with Click Magic, you probably just have this tracking your domain. But you see I have several. These are custom domains. I'm going to use this one. And you have to give it like a subtitle, and I'm going to call this System Affiliated, Super System Affiliate System 1. Super Affiliate System 1. And I'm going to put this in the group of Clickfunnels. Create the link. No, I'm calling this Clickfunnels. Because I have several, and I'm calling it ClickBank pre-frame. No, ClickBank. No, what we're gonna call it is super affiliate rely people system. Okay, and create link. Now we find that link we just created. It's called super affiliated. Let's see what's on page 2. There it is, super affiliated system. Okay, and we take a preview of what it looks like. Okay, this is a preview. This is where they're going. Okay, so we'll take this link. This is our tracking link. We're going to come back over here to Clickfunnels. And on the go-to website, this is where we're going to put that link. Control V. And save. Okay. Now it's another thing you have to do too. You got to set up your integration. If you haven't done this already, I'll make another video. Let me know. I'll make another video. But I have a get response, and I haven't created a list for this yet, but I will. And then you will put your list name like these are my lists. I'm gonna create a list. It's called How to Earn 6 Figures, and then get response, and then you will put that in there. Okay. The next thing we need to do is basically that's it. Oh, we need to go to General, Submit, and go, and put that tracking link in there, and save. Okay, let's exit. Okay, and we'll open this up. Free training, how to earn. We will put our best email in there. We're gonna put that, and then click here, and it should take us, boom, it took us right to our website. Outstanding. So we know that works. We've tested it. It's proven. We don't need a thank you page, so we're going to get rid of it. Because what you want to capture that email list and send them to the project, to the product. Okay? And that's it. We'll talk to you soon. Larry out. And I'll leave all the website descriptions in the descriptions below. Thank you. Signing out.